Welcome to DigitalBix TV Fashions. Ever since we have all hit the fashion world, off-shoulder tops have been in the majority of women's wardrobes. These come in so many styles and designs that it is impossible not to own at least a few. You can find off-the-shoulder crop tops, one-shoulder tops, ruffled off-shoulder tops and various other styles in this category. Owing to the insane popularity and demand of these tops, we decided to come up with the best selection for you. These off-the-shoulder tops are perfect if you desire to be a trendsetter. Number 1. Peplum style off-shoulder top. The peplum style is extremely trendy, and when combined with an off-shoulder look, it results in a highly fashionable ensemble. This black off-the-shoulder top in lace fabric has regular long sleeves. It is a solid or patterned peplum top, ideal for casual events. Pair it with skinny fit jeans and wear it. Number 2. Off-shoulder printed top. A printed top is versatile and can be styled for various occasions. This printed off-shoulder top has a geometric print and ruffled sleeves. It is a boxy type top, perfect for brunches during the summer. Number 3. Cropped off-shoulder top. A girl's off-shoulder crop top is a chic piece that you can carry off in the utmost style. This pink top has short, puffed sleeves which add to its charm. Buy this off-shoulder top online and team it with a pair of distressed blue jeans for an overtly feminine statement. Number 4. Bell-sleeved off-shoulder top. Bell sleeves suit every body type, no matter what shape your body has. If you wear a bell-sleeved top, it is bound to flatter you. This simple black top has bell sleeves which balance the body frame and render a flattering shape to it. Team it with a pair of off-white bottoms and wear it to a cocktail party. Number 5. Off-shoulder top with ruffles. Ruffles are classics and have been sweeping us off our feet since their arrival. They express feminine charm. This olive green ruffle top is one of the best off-shoulder tops you can buy in India. It is made from pure cotton and is ideal party wear when teamed with cropped pants or jeans. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe DigitalBix TV Fashions.